Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Bangkok, Thailand. Yes, we have finally left China. The lockdowns were too much for us. But yeah, we've had a great time, and now we're going to explore a bit of Southeast Asia before we head off into the future. So yeah, here we are at the moment on Khao San Road.
Which looks very, very different in the daytime than it does the night.
Yes, it does. But yeah, very, very good to be here. As you can see, lots of markets selling the classic travel stuff. And yeah, we're gonna enjoy it.
Woohoo!
My first ever tuk-tuk.
Oh, really?
You can't come to Thailand and not go on a tuk-tuk, can you? Or anywhere in Southeast Asia.
That's it.
20 bahts.
Yeah, 20 baht.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Here we go. We're gonna do a boat.
Move your hand.
Yeah. All good. Let's explore Bangkok by the rivers, I guess.
Yeah.
Well, what a nice way to start. So we paid 2,000 bahts for 2 people, which is a lot for Southeast Asia, I think. But it's day one. Let's get ripped off once, and then.
Yeah, but also we have this whole boat to ourselves, so like...
Yeah, it could be worse. 'Thank you.
Where's that?
Boat's all done. That was lovely.
That was very relaxing.
Yeah. There we are. Intro to Bangkok. Alright, so yeah, we're surrounded by all this beautiful Thai architecture, and we're going to go see a sleeping Buddha. If you're familiar with Bangkok, I'm sure we're going to hit up every single tourist place that you're aware of today. But yeah, should be interesting. Yeah, here we are at a temple, Wat Pho. So yeah, that's we are here, but what for?
Oh no.
Anyway, look at this. This is what we're here for. What for?
Oh god, stop.
Oh well. Wow. Yeah, so all of these patterns here up close, they're like mosaics. Yeah, these little details make it look a whole lot more beautiful, don't they? Wow. You know how we do on the channel, trick shots only. Wow. How big is that? So yeah, this Buddha from there all the way down to the end there is 46 meters long. It's a very big boy. Fun fact about Buddha, all of his toes are exactly the same length. Not many other people or animals can boast that fact. Whoa. Also, look at the state of these walls. Beautiful. Do you like the Sleeping Buddha?
Yeah, it was stunning. I never get to go seeing stuff like that.
You have to check out the local temples. Otherwise, what's the point? What are you here for? For what?
Stunning.
I'm going to try and fit in one more for what pun.
Don't
know
you
how.
viewers encourage this behaviour?
So, around the corner there is the Sleeping Buddha temple, and we have found a place called Vegan or Vegan?
Vegan. I think.
Yeah, look, so we got some vegan pad thai and some other vegan Thai food. As well as this, I got a chalky milk made from watermelon seeds.
So cool.
Unreal. Hopefully it's good. There you go. How was it?
Amazing. Come here.
genuinely phenomenal. Can't have it. Alright, so that building there, the unfinished skyscraper. So apparently that is abandoned, but you are allowed to go inside and explore it. I read online you might have to bribe a security guard to go inside, but yeah, we weren't even looking for this, but we were planning to do it, so let's see if we can go in now. That'd be awesome. Alright, as you can see, it's got graffiti all the way through on each level. We're gonna see if we can come in now, but if not, I won't use this footage and we'll try again tomorrow. Yeah. Wow, look at this.
Thank you.
Spring rolls, tofu,
Vegan. Woo.
50 bahts.
Thank you.
Thank you. Spring roll, just under the underpass on the highway. Oh yeah.
Let me, Mom.
We're here. We're living.
We out here living. I got the tofu. That's good.
Right. To the MBK Centre we go. Hello. GoPro attachments bought. Hopefully they'll come in useful in the very near future. Nice little tech mall. So yeah, if you come to Thailand, you want cheap electronics, come here. Alright, so didn't get...
What's different?
We got these bad boys. Let's have a look. Model.
Ooh.
There you go. Very good. Nice bit of balsering went on. Again, no idea really how to balsa, but we try. 900 bahts each. I think that's good. It's like, what's that, 20... Oh, the maths, the conversion in my head, I can't do it. Anyway,
We're converting
fairly
to
cheap.
Chinese and then converting to our own money.
It's
which is
impossible.
So funny.
Successful day out. It's metro time, boys. We began the video on Khao San Road, let's end the video on Khao San Road. So yeah, this is what it's like at 8 PM, so we'll only get busier. Lots of street food, lots of clubs, lots of noise.